Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to enable VoiceOver and start with the essential gestures right away. First, turn VoiceOver on from Settings Accessibility or Ask Siri. This immediately switches interaction mode. Once enabled, use a single tap to hear an item, a double tap to activate it, and 3 fingers to scroll pages. Make sure to open VoiceOver Practice in the VoiceOver menu and spend a few minutes there. Practicing these actions now prevents accidental taps while you learn more advanced navigation. Once you've mastered basics, focus on the rotor and precise navigation because they unlock efficiency. Rotate 2 fingers on the screen to change the rotor setting, choosing characters, words, headings, links, or form controls. This changes how flicks behave. Flick right or left to move between items and flick up or down to perform the highlighted item's primary actions. For text editing, use the rotor set to characters or words. Then scrub with 1 finger or swipe to position the cursor and modify text. Finish by customizing VoiceOver so it matches how you work. Go to VoiceOver settings to change speech voice, rate, verbosity, and rotor options. Slower speech helps when learning, while a distinct voice improves recognition. Pair a Bluetooth keyboard or headset and use VoiceOver to announce device names during pairing, then practice using keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. If something goes wrong, reboot the iPhone and toggle VoiceOver off and on. If problems persist, reset VoiceOver settings and reconfigure your preferred rotor and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.